This eye-catching viral AI miniature video is trending on Instagram. It grabbed my attention, so it pulled me in to create this video for you. Many people are making these kinds of videos and earning money from them. I'll show you exactly how, but before we dive into the creation, take a look at these example video clips. People often say this takes a lot of time and effort, but that's actually a lie. With the right prompt, you can create the perfect video in just seconds. I have the exact prompt for this, and I've included all the prompts in the description, so you won't have to struggle to create these videos. Plus, we'll explore a couple of AI tools in this video. So, let's get started. Let's start with step 1, prompt creation. You might be thinking, the prompt file is already in the description, why don't we skip this process? Does anyone have that question? Well, here's the thing, you don't have to rely on my prompt. Creating your own is easier than you think. Let me show you 2 simple ways to do it, and the second way is super cool. Method 1, the classic way. Open my Drive link, copy the first prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Before the prompt, include the sentence, "Can you generate 3 similar prompts like this for me?" Hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide excellent variations for you. Method 2, work smart, not hard. Instead of typing, let AI do the work. Take a screenshot of the video. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT. Ask, "Can you analyze this image and generate a prompt for me?" Hit enter, and boom! ChatGPT will craft the perfect prompt based on the image. Now, let's try it again. Pick another video, take a screenshot, upload it, and watch ChatGPT do its magic. Step 2, converting prompts into images. We'll try 3 image generators and see which one works best. The 3 image generators we're going to test are PicLumen, Leonardo, and Ideogram AI. Let's go through them one by one. Starting with PicLumen. Go to the website, click Get Started for free, select Create, paste the prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and click Create again. These images will take a few seconds to generate. Let's wait until the image generation is complete. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and learn how to access over 700 plus AI tools. Now, let's go back and look at our result. Once the image is generated, click on it to zoom in. If you're satisfied with the result, download your image. Now, moving on to Leonardo. Click Image Creation, paste the prompt, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and click Generate. And boom! You'll get 4 images. Wow, the images look so cool. Finally, let's move to my favorite, Ideogram AI. Paste the prompt, choose your preferred aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram, select the model, and click Generate. Ideogram will produce 4 images. Click the 3 dots and download your images. Now, we'll compare all these images. Based on our experiment, all 3 image generators produced almost identical results. So, my conclusion, you can use any image generator to create this type of image, it's not an issue. Step 3, converting images to video. Let's move to the finest video AI tool, Hailuo AI. Click Create. Here, you can transform your video from text as well as image to video. Since we already have an image, let's convert it into a video. Switch to the image to video option, upload your picture, and use the prompt you created in the last step for image generation. Then, select the video quantity and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a high-quality video ready. Now, let's create another video with a different image. Upload your image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Hailuo AI also allows you to shoot videos based on your preferred camera angle. Let me show you how to do that. Click the camera symbol, and you'll see various cinematic camera variations. Let's try one of these. Upload your picture, paste the prompt, and click the camera symbol. I'll go with the scenic shot, then click Generate. Here are a few of my creations, so let's get some inspiration from them.